go to the right?
No, it's on the left side.
I guess we're on the straight. Okay, we never turned enough to get there. Okay.
Man, it smells like sewer.
Is this trying to reroute you against to prevent a slow section on the strip?
Oh, so it wants me to go left. Yeah, maybe I'll turn left here illegally. Or no, maybe I'll turn left at the next legal left.
Whatever that light is, right?
It's a banner.
Let's play havoc with the exposure levels for the cameras. Right, dark, right.
There is no next legal left. I'm gonna have to see if I can snake this. There's nobody in that lane too, so it'll be alright.
Remember that time I went to SEMA and I got that traffic ticket when I made the left turn?
Yeah.
That'd be my luck. If I did that instantly, I would be pulled over. Seems to be a congestion over there too.
So I couldn't have because it was red.
Yeah.
All right, I'll take the next legal left.
That section was just like dead stop too.
Really? Okay. Well, it says only 9 minutes, and I've got the cellular data activated and everything. Why does it keep saying? Oh yeah, it says 8 minute 6:39. Yeah, we'll be okay. What do you think?
Yeah, but sure. But it seems like we're going up and then coming back, and what are we doing? That just seems like weird.
I know. I fucking hate this thing. I wish I had a Thomas guide. That's how I was trained.
I haven't had one of those in like 20 years.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Where am I going? This does not look familiar at all. What's that?
Seems like we're going.
Can you pull out your phone and see what you can do for GPS?
Looks like we've gone over the freeway on the west side of the freeway now. That's why I was going. I don't think we turned enough because I don't think we were on the strip.